Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a wolf in sheep's clothes here. It's got a 455 motor, the turbo 400 rear end, F41 suspension, disc brakes, got the rally wheels, got the 442 exhaust coming out the rear bumper, all wrapped up in a Cutlass convertible. So you want a great cruiser, not have to pay the 442 price. We got the car for you right here. Go to volocars.com and that's where you'll see all the specs, photos, top to bottom, pricing on this car and a few hundred other collector cars all for sale. So go to volocars.com. But right now the top is down. We got a 455 under the hood. Why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin. The bottom of this car is actually really nice. Up on the lift, a lot of new components. The floors are nice satin black. The chassis and frame all smooth satin black finish. Front end's all rebuilt, new ball joints. All new brakes, discs in front. It's got new calipers, new hoses, new brake lines. The F41 suspension, actually on an Olds, I think they call it a rally suspension. It's got front and back sway bars, boxed control arms. This has a 12-bolt rear end in it. Nice new dual exhaust system. So underneath is really nice. The car itself shows really well. It's not a $20,000 paint job. I see there's a little bit of dust in the paint and some imperfections, but it shows well. You walk up to it, it's beautiful. Bumper's been rechromed. Like I said, it's the notched out style with the 442 trumpet exhaust tips, they call it. I like the Oldsmobile emblem is the marker light. That's a cool touch. They've put on a set of rally wheels painted to match the car. Center caps do have some pitting on them. Brand new tires, still have the nubs on the tread. It's got new door handles. The mirror over there is new. This is a remote mirror. That's real good original. The pillars look beautiful. Actually, it might be new. Stainless is nice. Windshield's new. The grills are new. This piece right here is new. Bumper's new. That emblem's new. The rest of it appears to be good original condition. Stainless trim is nice and straight. Yeah, this mirror is new. These pillars have to be original. Brand new. Yeah, they're perfect. So the rubber's new. Door jambs are clean. Bottom of the door is nice. New weather strips, new fuzzy window seals. It's a black convertible top. It's power, all new rubber. The frame is nice and clean. Just a clean trunk compartment. It's been spatter painted. It's got a new trunk mat, new well liner, new weather strip. The jamb under here has all been painted. Interior lights work. Seat belts are in excellent condition. Got bucket seats in front with an aftermarket console, cushioned console with cup holders. But the upholstery front and back is new. The side panels are new. The rear armrest covers, the armrests on the doors. Looks like the window cranks are new. Carpet's new. The instrument area is in good condition. Does have one split on top of the dash pad. It's an original steering wheel. They did repair where it had some cracks. You can see some repairs and painted black, so steering wheel's usable, but for my car, it's one of those little things I'd probably do myself is pick a nicer looking steering wheel someday. The whole car was restored in 2018, so it's still pretty fresh. 455 motor, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, HEI distributor, looks brand new, new alternator, radiator. It's got the fan shroud, new power brake booster in master cylinder, also has power steering, new wiper motor, chrome valve covers. So a lot of new components under the hood there. We'll start it up for you. It's a little cold-blooded, and this was parked out in a cold building overnight. We just pulled it in. get the right key. It's got a factory AM radio, AM FM radio in the dash, but it makes noise but isn't really working that well. Glove box liner was new. Let her warm up a minute. Sounds just like a 442. So you got a nice red convertible with the big block and all the goodies. Just a comfortable car to drive, easy car to drive. So this car should satisfy a lot of people without having to spend a whole lot of money. Yeah, the buzzer works. So visit volocars.com and check out these marker lights. It's cool. You get all the specs, the pricing on this car, a few hundred other cars. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can answer your questions about the car, the entire process, the shipping, the financing. We'll walk you through it. So visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I appreciate everyone who has been watching, and that's the best way to see the videos as they come out. We'll have a lot more to come. Thank you.